differentiate the function with respect to 2x, x cos x to the power of x plus x sin x to the power 1 by x. So let us consider to be the function y. Y is equal to x cos x power x plus x sin x to the power 1 upon x. So for differentiation, to make it simple, let us consider into two functions. Let's split into two functions. So y is equal to u plus v, where u is nothing but x cos x to the power of x, and v is equal to x sin x to the power 1 upon x. So that we'll have dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So if you do separately differentiation of u and v and then add, you will get the answer. So let's consider this. U is equal to x cos x to the power of x. Let's apply logarithmic differentiation. So take log on both the sides. So we have log u is equal to, so log of x cos x to the power x, or we can write log u is equal to x into log of x cos x. So now differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. Differentiate with respect to 2x. So we have 1 upon u du by dx is equal to x into d by dx of log x is 1, log of x cos x is 1 upon x cos x, into again differentiation of x cos x, that can be taken x into d by dx of cos x is minus sin x, again plus cos x into differentiation of x is 1. And again plus log of x cos x into differentiation of x is 1. So finally we can write 1 upon u into du by dx is equal to, so here I can take it minus x sin x plus cos x upon cos x plus log of x cos x. Or also you can write it as du by dx is equal to u times of, u is nothing but x cos x to the power of x. So I can write here x cos x to the power x into, and this can also be written cos x upon cos x is 1 minus x sin x upon cos x can be taken tan x. So I can write 1 minus x tan x plus log of x cos x. So this is your du by dx, and let us find dv by dx. So let's take v is equal to x sin x whole to the power of 1 upon x. Again take logarithm on both the sides. So we have log v is equal to logarithm of x sin x to the power of 1 upon x, or we can write by using the properties of logarithms, 1 upon x you can bring out 1 upon x log of x sin x, or this can also be written log v is equal to log of x sin x upon x. It is just like in the form of u by v. Let's apply do differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x. So we have log v differentiation 1 upon v. So dv by dx is equal to upon x square x into d by dx of log of x sin x, that is 1 upon x sin x into, again differentiation of x sin x can be written x into differentiation of sin x is cos x plus sin x into differentiation of x is 1. So this is first attempt of differentiation, and again minus log of x sin x into differentiation of x can be taken, the denominator 1. So we can write 1 upon v dv by dx is equal to, so here we can cancel x and x, so x cos x plus sin x upon sin x, we can write it as x cot x plus sin x upon sin x get cancelled, 1 minus log of x sin x divided by x square. Or we can also write dv by dx is equal to, so v times of, so v is nothing but our x sin x power 1 by x sin x to the power 1 by x times of, so you can write the remaining x cot x plus 1 minus log of x sin x upon x square. So this is your dv by dx. So now our dv by dx is equal to, adding this both, so your dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So we have dy by dx is equal to x cos x to the power of x times 1 minus x tan x plus log of x cos x plus dv by dx value, dv by dx value you can write x sin x to the power of 1 by x into or upon x square, we can write here 1 plus x cot x minus log of x sin x. So this is the answer. Okay, thank you.